ready to unlock a hidden superpower within your CINC CRM. Today, we're diving into the Sphere, your gateway to laser-focused marketing and client engagement. First things first, let's find it. Log into your CINC CRM account. Take a look at the main navigation menu, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down until you spot Sphere. It might be nestled under Marketing or within a list of advanced features. Depending on your specific CINC setup, click on Sphere to access the functionality. Now that you're inside, take a moment to get acquainted. The Sphere allows you to segment your leads and contacts based on a variety of criteria. Things like property preferences, engagement level, even geographic location. This granular segmentation is key. Imagine targeting your first-time home buyers in Austin, TX with tailored content, significantly boosting your engagement rates. But it doesn't stop there. The Sphere seamlessly integrates with your other CINC tools. You can use your targeted segments to launch automated email campaigns, personalize website experiences, and even prioritize your outreach efforts. By using the Sphere's lead segmentation tool, you can nurture your customers by focusing on what matters to them and their home buying experience. Ultimately, mastering the Sphere translates to happier clients, increased conversions, and a healthier bottom line. Now go ahead and explore the Sphere and start generating leads. That's it for today's quick guide. Start leveraging the power of the Sphere within your CINC CRM. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CINC tips and tricks.